Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 29th of June, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis and update reviews, feel free to subscribe to this channel. So let's dig into straight to three major currency pairs: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at here, yesterday, as I explained to my trader, if the price is going to stay below this level, we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade, and that's what exactly we did. So we bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit this support level. We bank beautiful pips, and tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to stay, develop a pullback, then possibility of taking a pullback short trade here, and if the price is going to break, then possibility long. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. Let me share with you today how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD, this is the analysis I did last night for the Asian session. You can see here, based on that analysis, price nicely broken. And London morning session, once we bank some profit here and then explain to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, we should be taking another pullback at this level and breakout scaling trade because the momentum is bearish. So you can see here, price nicely develop a pullback as exactly I explained to you in analysis and through live analysis. So you can see here, beautiful breakout and pullback, and price nicely hit to the profit target and at the support level, and that's what I explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a beautiful short trade on Euro USD today. Let me share with you guys, and Pound Dollar, we had amazing trades on Pound Dollar. If you look at the Pound Dollar, okay, so let me give you a little bit more information here on Euro USD. So now the price is reversing it. So the best way we look at, you can see here the price broke on the previous high, and you can see here price develop a double top here. So we're looking here, if the price come back and develop a pullback, then we're going to be taking a counter long trade. Otherwise, if the price going to break, we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we'll let you know tomorrow about this Euro USD. Let's move on to the Pound Dollar, and let me share with you how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips. Pound Dollar, we had amazing trade guys today. And if you look at the 4 hour, as I mentioned yesterday, if the price is going to break, and then we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis video, feel free, the link is given in the video description. So we were short, as you can see yesterday, price nicely came back and retest this resistance level. That give us the confirmation, and we had a beautiful pullback short trades on Pound Dollar. And let me share with you the today's analysis, how I analyze market and how many trades we had it on pullbacks on intraday. Let me share with you if you look at the Pound Dollar, if you look at my intraday analysis, okay, so this is the analysis I did. As you can see here for the Asian session, look for the pullback because the momentum was developed bearish. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, another 2 pullback, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the blue fib channel, explained to my trader, bank some profit. And this morning, as you can see here, just before London Open, we did live analysis. So as explained to my trader, we have a very, in 4 hour, if you look at the price broken the major structure, support level, previous low, so we should be taking a pullback. As explained in intraday, these are the levels we should be taking a pullback short trade here. And I explained to trader, if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, then we should be taking a pullback short trade here. As you can see here, one pullback, another pullback. So we announce all these 3 pullbacks through live audio commentary. That's why we communicate with the traders in real time. Every time when the price develop a pullback opportunity based on this analysis, we also provide that information instantly to make sure that we can bank beautiful pips. You can see we had a beautiful 1, 2, 3 pullbacks at the London morning session, and these are the pullbacks we performed at the Asian session. So we were short on Pound Dollar, bank beautiful pips. All right, so at the New York session, you can see here, that's what I explained to trader. Well, most of the traders were explaining price might going to reverse. As I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it, not what we think. We don't put our thought process. What we trade, what we see it, that's what exactly we trade. As explained to my trader, first priority would be the pullback short trade here. We need price need to develop a double bottom in order for you if you're thinking about the counter. As you can see here, as exactly explained, that was the first priority. You can see here price nicely develop another pullback and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to either tighten your stop loss or banking some profit. So we had a beautiful short trades whole day, even from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis video, feel free watch, link is given in the video descriptions. So we were short for whole this journey, and as you can see here, based on this 4-hour price actions, how many pullbacks we had it. And that's what we have explained in real time to all of our traders. So we had amazing trades on pound dollar bank, beautiful pips. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. And if you look at the dollar CAD, okay, all right, so let me explain to you a bit pound dollar. That's what we're explaining. If you look at what sort of pattern is developed, sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern in intraday. So the safest way for us to trade, if the price gonna break the previous high, you can see here, and if the price break after the breakout price retest, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. Or if the price develop momentum bullish pull back, then we're going to be taking a counter long trade, otherwise short trade here. So as you can see, that's what we explained to trader. Price moves in a cycle. So if the price want to continue, price needs to retrace and then continue short here. But that's what we explained it through live intraday analysis to all of our traders. So let's see how it goes. But I've already done this analysis for my traders just before this, creating this live analysis review video. You can see here, this is the analysis I did. I explained to trader, guys, the price develop and look for this breakout, which is technically, you can see here, the price is already broken. And some of the traders, they are crazy, they have taken this trade. But as explained to my trader, safest way to put, the price come back and retest. But based on this analysis, you can see here the price nicely broken. As explained to you guys, looks like the price develop in inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is what exactly we do every single day and help my traders through live intraday analysis. We are intraday. We also take all the counter trade opportunities as well as the momentum and trend based. The first priority would be taking maximum opportunity with the trend based and the momentum based. But if the price finish one cycle, coordinate with the major support and resistance. And if you look at here, the price was respected here many times. That was the level. As you can see here, price nicely respected. In order to take this opportunity, we need a confirmation in intraday, which you can see here. Price develop a head and shoulder pattern. That was a good sign. And this is the breakout trade, guys. So this is what exactly we do every single day in real time to help auto traders and maximize the opportunities. All right, let's move on to the dollar CAD, guys. If you look at the dollar CAD, we were long from yesterday, as you can see here. If you haven't seen my previous video, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. I explained to my trader, if the price gonna stay above that level, then we should be taking a pullback or long trade here. So we had this long trade here, breakout, and afterwards we also had another 2 pullback long at the New York session. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD intraday analysis, as I said to you, this is the trade. I think we had it. I explained to my trader last night for the Asian session, and then based on that we had a breakout. But at that time in the London morning, price was still at this level, so I updated that analysis instantly here. You can see at that time the market was there, and I explained to my trader, guys, we are still looking this breakout. As you can see, based on the momentum and based on the intraday 4-hour chart, I explained to trader, if the price gonna break this small consolidation, we had a beautiful breakout long trade. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is, you can see, almost this level, which is price nicely respected this level. That's what we explained to trader, and also coordinate with the green pip channel. This is our first target and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. That was the London morning session. At the New York session, as I said to you guys, we're going to trade what we see it. First priority would be towards the momentum. We had a beautiful pullback long trade here, as exactly explained to the intraday system analysis. We had a beautiful pullback long here, another one beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit this level. That's what we explained to keep banking here and then jump again on pullback. So that's why we keep doing it, banking, pipping every single day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. So right now, as I said to you, the price is developing it, respecting it. If you look at the 4-hour, the price look like is respecting this level. But as I said to my traders, most safest way to look for this breakout, as you can see here, price develop up channel. The safest way to look at, if the price break the recent low, after the breakout retest, give us the confirmation, then short, otherwise stay with the momentum. So that's what I explained to my trader, which is I've already done that analysis. You can see here for my traders, because every time they ask me if the price is going to, I say, guys, we need a valid technical pattern in order that's coordinate with the high time frame price action, then we're going to trade. All right, guys, that's what exactly we do. We have amazing trades, beautiful. We had a pound yen, beautiful trade. We were short on pound yen. You can see here, beautiful from yesterday. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and we were pulled back short trade here. So let me share with you the couple of analysis on the pound yen. You can see here, that was the beautiful, this is the analysis. This is the analysis I did at the Asian session. That was the consolidation breakout, short trade here. Then at the London morning session, beautiful symmetric triangle pattern, breakout, pullback, short trade here. And the last push at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. Look for another pullback, short trade here. As explained to trader, if the price is going to break this level, as you can see here, price nicely develop another wedge, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, coordinate with the first target, and we bank beautiful pips on pound yen. Even if you look at in 4 hour, we will keep taking a pullback short trade here. All right, guys, that's it. So I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. The most important thing, guys, as I said to you guys, you should be watching all this analysis in the real time, and you should be banking all that pips in real time. That's the key important thing, guys. All right, guys, so if you are interested, to watch all that live analysis in the real time and banking in real time and developing your trading skills in real time, and once you develop your trading skill, we can also open door funding for you. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders through live intraday analysis through this system, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, guys. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy loving banking pips alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.